We are back. After over 4 months in storage, Temptress will be on display at the Minnesota Woodworkers Expo 2025 on October 11th at the Minnesota State Fairgrounds in St. Paul, Minnesota. But first, I have to get the boat out of storage and to my house. At the expo, I'll be fairing the frames on the bottom of the boat and laying out the first layer of planks. Because I've never done this before, I'll be looking for some advice from fellow woodworkers at the expo. Since it's a beautiful autumn day in Minnesota, I decided to just show all the footage of the drive. But the truth is, I really didn't move very far away, still living in Woodbury, Minnesota. I moved to a house that is both yard work and maintenance free. Well, except for the boat build. Temptress is still a very large project, and with my increased work travel, it's unlikely that I can keep up with the pace of the build as I had done in the past. But when I'm home and I have free time, I'll continue to work on Temptress and I'll publish the videos. As I approach my new home, I begin to wonder, how am I going to fit this boat inside of my much smaller garage? But that will have to wait for a future video. Till then, cheers.